Hello, welcome to the unboxing of this Integra. This model was made by Fujimi in 1/24 scale. Let's get to chat and open this box. Starting from the top, here is the clear part. Careful with those staples, as they can easily scratch the plastic and give us a big headache. Main windows are made in just one piece, making the paint easier, and the headlights and tail lights in separate. Both lights look nice and well detailed. For the next bag we have some interior and exterior parts. Come with two dashboards so we can decide which one to use. But as always, the door cards have a big lack of detail. But well, it seems to be an issue with Japanese models. In the next bag are some engine and exterior parts as well with the seats. Everything looks alright except the seats. I really don't understand why they don't finish the back of the seats. Continuing, we have now the undercarriage. As usual, a nice detail all around, not much diversity as all Hondas look the same. The wheels came together in the same bag, they look nice and clean. And for the next we have the decals. There is a few decals that I wasn't expecting and I will definitely not to use, but it's always good to have for future projects. With the box almost empty, let's have a look on those tires. The details are good, as always, but they really should make more and different tires. The brand and the tread are always the same. And now the most waited part to be seen. I hope you didn't skip the whole video to the end just to see this. So, at first glance it looks good, nice details in it, love the fact of having the side mirrors base already in place and the deep Integra in the rear bumper. There are a few mold lines to be sanded as they can be easily seen. And the real last item is the instructions. Never saw such a small book, if we can even call it that. Probably is really straightforward and that's why it being so small.